Step 1. Before doing a construction, you need to think about which concrete blocks you are going to use, as there are varieties of the concrete block, which create a bulk of foundation. Most common used concrete blocks are 8 inches wide. There are types that you want to consider. Single and double corner units, which provide smoothness around the corners. Step 2. Footing is the solid base that is used as the base's structure. You can either use dry balance that you need to blend with water to actuate, or buy arranged balance. Step 3. Before starting, this type of construction requires a lot of tools that are available at your near hardware store. Make sure that you will manage your time, because construction takes a lot of time. Here is the list of products that might be used. Trowel, garden hose, 3 8-inch and 5 8-inch plywood, work gloves, level, wheelbarrow, 100 feet of cord, mortar, masonry chisel, and 2x4 for framing. Step 4. In case you're uncertain about the specifics of what you thought to use for your venture, counsel an authority at the tool shop. Usually the workers at the tool shop are proficient about the necessities of your venture. It never damages to ask if you're uncertain. Step 5. Solid piece workmanship, which is otherwise called solid workmanship unit, has points of interest over block and stone brickwork. Solid pieces are produced at different sizes, and these might be strong or empty squares. The normal size of solid pieces is 39 cm by 19 cm by 30 cm or 20 cm or 10 cm, or 2 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch and 12 inch unit arrangements. Stretcher blocks. Solid stretcher pieces are utilized to join the corner in the stonework. Stretcher pieces are broadly utilized solid empty squares in development. They are laid with their length parallel to the substance of the divider. Corner blocks. Corner pieces are utilized at the finishes or corners of stonework. The finishes might be window or entryway openings. They are placed in a way that their plain end noticeable at the outside and flip side is joined with a stretcher piece. Pillar blocks. Column square is also known as two-fold corner piece. These are used when two finishes in the same block are needed. If there should be an occurrence of wharfs or columns, these pieces are broadly utilized.